Did you know your garden could grow faster, look greener, and stay pest-free, all with just a potato peel and a spoonful of turmeric? Sounds too easy, right? But stay with me till the end, because the results might just blow your mind. We often think lush gardens need pricey fertilizers or chemical sprays, but nature has already given us everything we need. We just have to know how to use it. Here's a surprisingly effective method. Start by taking a potato peel and chopping it into small bits. These peels are rich in nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and starch, perfect for boosting root health, flowering, and overall plant strength. Bury these pieces directly in the soil around your plants. Now for the secret weapon, turmeric. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir it into about 10 liters of clean water. Turmeric isn't just for cooking, it's a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. This powerful mix helps protect your plants from root rot, fungal infections, and even pests like aphids and fungus gnats. Water your plants with this turmeric solution right after burying the potato peel. The peel nourishes the soil while turmeric acts as a shield, keeping harmful pests and diseases away, all without any chemicals. Repeat this simple routine once a week. In just days, you'll notice stronger plants, faster growth, and fewer pest problems, naturally and effortlessly. If this tip helped you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more garden wisdom. And drop a comment below. Have you tried this trick, or will you be giving it a go? Happy gardening!